Hi, have a good day. My name is Gina Lenyonson Nabisti, 33 years old. I have 5 children, 1 son and 4 daughters. I'm married. I live in New Bataan, Davao de Oro. I have experience before as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and in Manila, Philippines for 1 year as nanny. My duties and responsibilities taking care of children, baby, cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, gardening, taking care of pets, car washing. And for my personality, I'm hardworking, honest, loyal, obedient, patient. And for my future employer, and forgive me a chance to be a helper of your family, I give all my very best of all my duties, and I promise to finish my work without your permission. And I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.